Good morning to all of you students. Here we try to divisibility rules. Here second part is the divisible by 6. How to divide any number is completely divided by 6. Firstly, observe the number. If any number is completely divided by 2 and 3 both, the given number is completely divided by 6. Suppose that here we take an example. Here we take an example 3462. 3462. Observe the number here. Observe the number here. 3462 is divisible by 2. Then we say that here, yes, that number is completely divided by 2. Yes, here we take here 3462 divisible by 3. Yes, then we say that the given number 3462 is completely divided by 6 years. It is clear that here we try to understand divisible divisible by 8. Here observe the number. If the last 3 digit of any number is given 000 or last any 3 number is completely divided by 8, the given number is completely divided by 8. Here divisible by 8. Here we take an example. Here we observe the number 893512. Here last 3 digit is 512. 512 is completely divided by 8. Yes. So we say that the given number 893512 is completely divided by 8. That means here observe the last 3 digit. Last 3 digit 512, that means 552. It is completely divided by 8. Yes. So we say that here 893512 is completely divided by 8. Yes. We take another example 365900. Here observe the last three digit is 000. That means the given number is completely divided by 8. The given number is completely divided by 8. So we say that completely number is 8. So the given number is completely divided by 8. Yes. It is clear that, can we erase it? Here Here we try to understand divisible by 9. Firstly, we find the sum of the given number of the digit. If the sum is completely divided by 9, the given number is completely divided by 9. Here we find the sum. That means we add the numbers. Here we take an example. Suppose that here given number is 81945 and check the number is completely divided by 9. How to check? Here we add the numbers. Sum of digits. Sum of digits. Here we write sum of digits, that is equal to 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 8 and 1 9, 9 and 9 18, 18 and 4 22, 22 and 5 is equal to 27. Then check 27 is completely divided by 9 or not. Here if we check 27 is completely divided by 9, that means we say that yes. Here we say that yes, 27 is completely divided by 9. So the given number is 81945. That is completely divided by 9. Yes. Here we write yes. That means Here 81945 is completely divided by yes. Here we take an other divisibility rule. Here other divisibility rule is divisible by 10. Here divisible by 10. Here divisible by 10. If any number having ones place 0, that number is completely divided by 10. Firstly, we observe only ones places number. Only ones places number. If the ones place is 0, then we say that the given number is completely divided by 10. That means here we take an example 2, 4, 3, 0. Here observe ones place is 0. Here observe ones place is 0. Then we say that the given number is completely divided by 10. That means yes, the given number is completely divided by 10. Yes. Here we take divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Firstly, we find the sum of the even places number and odd places number and find them difference. If the difference is 0 or the difference is completely divided by 11, the given number is completely divided by 11. If we say, in other words, if we go from left to right the number, we take first number and then we third number and five number and so on, and then we take second number and fourth number, sixth number, eighth number and so on, and add them and find the difference between, if the difference is 0 or if the difference is completely divided by 11, then we say that the given number is completely divided by 11. Or if we say in other words, if the difference is multiple of 11, then that number is completely divided by 11. Here we take an example. 5665. Suppose that here the given number, here if we observe here that number is according to places, here that places is odd places. What odd places? Here that number is even places. Here even places. That number is odd places. And here that number is even places. Here we find the sum of the odd places and even places. Sum of odd places that is equal to 5 plus and take the 6, that is equal to 11. And here sum of even places, that is equal to, here even places is 6, here even places is 6 and even places is 5, that is equal to 11, and find the difference that is equal to difference that is equal to 11 minus 11, that is equal to 0. It is clear that here 11 minus 11, that is equal to 0. Then we say that the given number 5665 is completely divided by 11. That is the rule of divisible by 11. It is clear that